Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering and positioning the modem correctly. Plug the modem into a grounded outlet and attach the provided power adapter. The device needs 60 to 120 seconds to initialize. Once done, check the status LEDs, power, downstream/upstream, and online. Make sure the coax, DSL, or fiber cable is securely connected to the WAN port so the modem can sync with your ISP. If a battery or backup is present, insert it now to preserve settings during outages. Next, you connect the router and perform initial configuration. Use a good Ethernet cable to run from the modem's LAN or Ethernet output to the router WAN port. Power the router and wait for its LEDs to stabilize. Then, on a laptop or phone, open the router's admin page. Common addresses are 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, and log in with default credentials. Change the SSID, and finally, you verify and secure the connection. Reconnect your devices to the new SSID and run a quick speed test to confirm expected throughput. Slower results indicate placement, splitters, or ISP issues. Make sure both modem and router firmware are current, then save a backup of your router configuration. If things go wrong, first power cycle modem and router for 30 seconds, then check ISP status or replace cables. Only perform a factory reset as a last resort because it clears custom settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.